the two of you are suing each other over a dispute arising out of a celebrity cruise that took place last year. Ms. Hilton, you claim that you contracted the defendant to provide a number of services, most specifically taking footage of a celebrity cruise that you were planning, and basically that she did not deliver.
Correct.
You paid her a significant amount of money, and you gave her exclusive access to VIP perks as part of your deal, and so you would like back the amount that you paid her and fronted on her behalf, which is about $2,700. Ms. Blanco, you claim that you did everything the plaintiff enabled you to do, everything you were supposed to do, and in fact went above and beyond and tried to do even more, but that she hindered your ability to do that. And at the end of the day, not only do you not owe her any money, you are requesting $5,000 from her for the unauthorized use of your name and likeness in a way that was not intended by the contract. All right, let's take a look at some photographs from this celebrity cruise. So these are some photographs that the defendant took. It looks like a fun cruise. Tell us a little bit about the cruise, Ms. Holden.
I created a 2000s themed cruise going out of Palm Beach, Florida to the Bahamas. It featured like over 10 celebrity special guests, DJs, custom private events.
What did you contract the defendant for?
I contracted her to do media. She was specifically contracted to do photography, videography, and also do weekly news articles online about the cruise to
Leading
promote
up to it?
Yes.
Okay, so promotional events in advance of the cruise.
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Blanco.
Yes.
Tell us what your understanding of your role in this cruise was supposed to be.
Getting the exclusive, the behind the scenes, doing articles and things of that nature. I am not a videography or photography company.
Okay.
The contract, if you don't mind.
Yes, please, let's go to the contract. The compensation that I see here is a total booking fee of $1,000
Yes.
with a 25% deposit of $250.
That's what I
All right.
received.
The entertainment artist understands that the agreed fee is inclusive
Yes.
of all expenses, all in, such as travel, room, and board outside of the ship accommodation.
So that's mean that I'm supposed to use $1,000 for the travel like I did.
Yeah, that's not what this says, just so you know.
Okay.
This says the agreed fees includes the following things.
So,
it doesn't exclude other things.
I understand that now.
Okay.
So in paragraph 6, it states that the media is to provide weekly articles leading up to the event, which I did, the search engines optimism, social media
Hold
promotion.
on, let's stop. Search engine optimization.
Yes, I did that.
What is that?
Where I put articles and make sure that when you put in Wave Jam Cruise, it comes up in the Google.
Okay.
The Google search. Photography and videography, which I did. However, in this contract, it does not state that I'm supposed to turn in the materials.
Hold on one second. One of the things you left out was photography and videography of all cruise events, including, but not limited to, a movie production reel of the cruise.
We were supposed to do a doc-movie. I was not talking to her. I was speaking to her colleague.
But you were obligated by contract to produce a movie production reel of the cruise.
I was supposed to do that with my company. However, any detail that you want in the agreement, you must be clear on. So now when we go to the requirements on the last page, it says that I'm supposed to repost on Instagram. What she stated in here was she wanted promotion. She wanted me to post within 10 days. You see how this have deliverables?
Yeah, but see, the way you read contracts is wrong, okay? This does not say what I want from you is promotion. What this says is, with respect to promotion, I want the following from you.
I did that is what I'm saying.
So you may have fulfilled, hold on. It sounds like there are a lot of requirements she has an issue with. And right now, all we're talking about is the promotion requirements, not all the other stuff.
Because when I spoke to her colleague, we didn't talk about deliverables for the photos. We did not have, there is not a post-production contract here. This is all pre to September the 23rd. Am I supposed to give her a movie before September the 23rd? Am I supposed to give her a movie before May 27th? That wasn't discussed.
So there's no date for the movie. It says you gotta give her a movie.
Because
do you intend to ever give her a movie?
I did, but I went through some family issues. The last time I spoke to her was October the 8th, and my auntie passed October the 13th.